My name's Teresa Lopez. My major is criminal justice, and I'm from Tracy, California. I am a first-generation college student, so my brother graduated last year, so I'm next. And then another fun fact is I have 2 dogs and a cat. And then last, I am on a sorority on campus. As a person, I would describe myself as someone who's pretty outgoing, really interested in meeting new people, trying out new things, raising my hand in all classroom participation. I work with JusticeCorps, and the reason I chose JusticeCorps as an internship I wanted to work with is just because of what they stood for and the work that they did. So being able to help people who can't afford attorneys and helping guide their way through the legal system is something that is really important to me. So having the ability to participate in a program such as JusticeCorps is what really brought me towards them. Our objective are helping people who cannot afford attorneys and helping them with family law, civil law, small claims. So that would be divorce, child custody, parentage, unlawful detainers, small claims, whether it be with a person or a business. I would say hands-on. The work that I do is I'm constantly talking to litigants, whether it be over the phone or face-to-face. Sometimes I'll be highlighting the forms myself or translating the forms for someone, so it is very hands-on work. Another word I would describe it would be very satisfying. I've had people literally cry because they are so thankful that we were able to help them, or they were able to see their children for the holidays, or they're able to, get the small claims that they've been waiting for so long. So it's very satisfying when people come in and are thankful for us. And then another one is very educational. So I know all these different form numbers and what is needed when you are seen in front of a judge. So I feel like it's just something that everyone should know. So having the ability to learn that I'm really thankful. There are a bunch of different locations for JusticeCorps, but I know that Hayward is probably is the busiest site. So which is why I chose Hayward. We see about, I'd say, around 80 to over 100 people just within 8:30 a.m. and 12 p.m. So there are many people that come after that we can't help, but we are constantly getting people walking in, and we do get a lot of the same people as well. I believe that students should be involved in the community because from my own experience, I've been able to get enough training to learn how to fill out all these forms, and then being able to help others who maybe don't speak English, or I have people come in who are completely stressed out because they've been going to all these legal aid, yet they're still stuck in the same position. So just knowing the right ways of going about the court system, I think, is important for anyone to know, even if you don't face it early on in your life or later on in your life, or whatever the case may be. I just think that having that education is really important, and then being able to help others who don't have the time to learn all these skills that I've obtained through this internship is really helpful.